Hello, today we talk about Sequoia's investment philosophy, building defensible moats. So, what do Apple, Google, and Airbnb have all in common, besides reshaping the world? They were all backed by Sequoia Capital, a venture firm famous for betting on companies that build defensible moats. Sequoia's investment philosophy is simple and yet powerful. Look for visionary founders who build innovations that can't be easily copied. And at the center of that defensibility is a strategic use of intellectual property, turning breakthrough ideas into lasting market leadership. So, too often, startups chase growth without thinking about protection. In AI, Fintech, and Biotech, the barriers to entry are falling. Anyone can launch an app. Anyone can run a model. Without a moat, whether it's proprietary data, brand equity, or patents, even the most exciting innovation risks being commoditized. Sequoia emphasizes that defensibility isn't built overnight, but ignoring it can collapse your edge before you scale. For founders, the challenge is clear. How do you transform fragile early-stage ideas into market fortresses that attract big league investors? So Sequoia's Playbook offers the blueprint. Number one, they back outlier founders who spot unique, overlooked opportunities. Then they layer in defensibility through the network effects, brand reputation, and proprietary technology. They leverage intellectual property to legally and strategically block competition. Zoom, Stripe, and Nvidia illustrate this. Their patents and proprietary technologies created protection around core innovations while their businesses scale globally. PatentPC.com's philosophy aligns with this model. We help startups, 1. Secure ownership of IP from day one by clarifying contributions and contract and by filing patent application. 2. We help clients prioritize high-value innovations for patenting, things like core algorithms or unique manufacturing methods. 3. We build layered moats, especially in AI, by protecting proprietary data pipelines, workflow integrations, and model innovations. 4. We expand globally by leveraging the Patent Cooperation Treaty to block rivals in critical markets such as in Europe, Japan, Korea, and China. Picture an AI logistics startup. Let's call it Logicore. Its algorithm slashes delivery costs by 40% by fusing weather, traffic, and fleet data. Without patents and with vibe coding, competitors can clone it overnight. With Patent PC's approach, Logicore patents the data fusion process, trademark its predictive analytics platform, and file internationally to secure exclusivity in Asia and Europe. Now, not only can competitors not replicate the innovation, but Sequoia and other top-tier venture capitalists see a moat worth investing in. That's the difference between just another startup and becoming a category leader. So in sum, Sequoia's philosophy is clear. Startups that win don't just launch great products, they build moats that widen with time. And in today's AI-driven, hyper-competitive vibe coding technology, patents are the bedrock of that defensibility. If you're building the next breakthrough and want to attract world-class investors, don't wait. Build your moat now with Patent PC. Partner with Patent PC to transform your innovations into strategic IP assets. Comment below on what you think is the most powerful startup moat. Is it technology, the brand, or the network effect? And explore our other videos for more insights on defensibility in the startup ecosystem.